Welcome to the future where technology meets innovation. You've just clicked into the newest AI automation channel on YouTube, your go-to source for all things artificial intelligence. Here, we will dive deep into the world of AI automation and its incredible applications. But hold on, what exactly is AI automation? Well, think of it as your digital assistant on steroids. It's like having a super smart virtual helper that can streamline tasks, boost efficiency, and unlock a world of possibilities. From your smartphone to your smart home, AI is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes to make your life easier. So why not explore the magic under the hood? In the coming weeks, we're unpacking the secrets of AI automation. We'll explore topics like the ABCs of AI, breaking down the basics, how AI is changing industries from healthcare to finance, and how AI in your daily life is making your routines smarter. Our videos are your backstage pass to the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious mind, a business owner looking to automate, or just someone looking to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. We will also be showing you easy-to-follow tutorials on the basics of creating your own tailor-made AI bots that perform tasks specific to your needs. So consider subscribing, as we will show you the ins and outs of AI and how you can apply it to your business or everyday life and streamline your workflow.